Lesson 1. Pen, pencil, book. What is? What's? This. It is. It's. What's this?
It's a pen.
Table, chair, light, wall, floor, room, ceiling, window, door, clock, box, picture. Is this? Yes. Is this a pen?
Yes, it's a pen.
No, it is not. Isn't. Is this a pen?
No, it isn't a pen. It's a pencil.
Is this a pencil?
No, it isn't a pencil. It's a book.
Long, short. The. Contraction. Is the pen short?
No, the pen isn't short. It's long.
Is the pencil long?
No, the pencil isn't long. It's short.
Is the room short?
No, the room isn't short. It's long.
Large, small. Is the table small?
No, the table isn't small. It's large.
Is the box large?
No, the box isn't large. It's small.
City, town, village. Is London a village?
No, London isn't a village. It's a city.
Is Windsor a city?
No, Windsor isn't a city. It's a town.
Is Grantchester a town?
No, Grantchester isn't a town. It's a village.
Or. Is the table long or short?
The table's short.
Is a city large or small?
A city's large.
Man, woman, boy, girl. What's this?
It's a man. It's a woman. It's a boy. It's a girl.
Is this a girl?
No, it isn't a girl. It's a man.
Is this a man?
No, it isn't a man. It's a woman.
Is this a woman?
No, it isn't a woman. It's a boy.
Is this a boy?
No, it isn't a boy. It's a girl.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On, under, in. Is the pen in the book?
No, the pen isn't in the book. It's under the book.
Is the pen under the book?
No, the pen isn't under the book. It's on the book.
Mr., Mrs., Jack, Anna. Is this Anna Brown?
No, it isn't Anna Brown. It's Mr. Brown.
Is this Mr. Brown?
No, it isn't Mr. Brown. It's Mrs. Brown.
Is this Mrs. Brown?
No, it isn't Mrs. Brown. It's Jack Brown.
Is this Jack Brown?
No, it isn't Jack Brown. It's Anna Brown.
Black, white, green, brown. What colour? What colour's this pencil?
This pencil's black, white, etc.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where? Where's the pen?
The pen's on the book.
Where's the book?
The book's on the table.
Where's the pen?
The pen's under the table.
Where's the picture?
The picture's on the wall.
Where's the light?
The light's on the ceiling.